Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I know that I look awful right now. It's because I have been sick. I don't know, I guess I had a virus or something, I'm not sure, but I have been feeling like horrible. It started like, I think Monday morning. Yeah, and like when I look this way, if you can see, I have like I busted a blood vessel. So it's been lovely. But I just grabbed a bunch of products, put it in a Sephora bag, because these are the products that I haven't tried out a lot, and I've been wanting to try them out, and there's some that I have tried out a lot. So okay, so I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes and do all that fun crap. Hopefully this will make my eyes look a lot better. Like in my last couple of videos, I haven't been able to use my mirrors I got that lights up. My batteries went dead. And then I started thinking today when I was getting ready to do this video, I'm like, wait a minute. Didn't that come with a cord that you can plug up to like the power out, outage thing, whatever, outlets? And I was like, oh yeah. So I was so excited and pumped.
I like finally,
because like it gives off some good light. Okay, trying to find my tape without knocking my phone over. Y'all know I like to use tape. I went to work yesterday, but I had to call in on Monday, and when I got to work yesterday, I was like, man, I feel bad. And everybody's like, yeah, you look bad. I'm like, gee, thanks. Thanks. Okay. So, I have different eyeshadow palettes that I've been looking at. I'm like, ooh, I really haven't used a lot of. I'm going to show them to you, and then I'm just going to go from there. I have this one. I got this in, I got two of these, actually, I got out. And I got these for Christmas from my cousin. I was in her wedding. And, like, I guess she felt the need that she needs to buy everybody a gift for some odd reason. I told her that she shouldn't have. But she bought me a whole 89-piece set of makeup. And I was very thankful for it. Thank you, Kelly. And, I got these eyeshadows in them. These two. And, like, these are, like, really pretty colors. Sorry that my, mirror is kind of, like, reflecting on it. Okay, another palette is this L'Oreal palette. I paid some good money on this one. I haven't really used it, maybe once or twice. And I really like the colors in this palette. And I might use this today, I'm not sure. It's neutral colors, and like I use them every day. But yeah. Oh, this is what the front of it looks like. Oh, and look at that. I used this color right here on my cousin on her wedding. And she's like, God, it's too blinding. So I just took like almost the same color and just dyed it down, like, you know, because she didn't want it so like out there, I guess, because she's not that kind of person. And then I got this in my BoxyCharm box of December, I think. And I used this a lot for a while, and I haven't used it in a while, and I really like this palette. You got your eyeshadows, and then you got your two highlighters, which is really gorgeous. Looks like this, and it's the Prestige palette, which I don't know if I'm going to use this today. I'm really leaning between these two palettes. And maybe this one. My stomach is like still hurting. Like the muscles in my stomach are hurting so bad. I really want to go in with this palette and this palette. Like I'm really feeling it. So what I'm gonna do? Listen, I have been stuck on certain songs and I'm in love with. And it's the songs, Break Up With Your Girlfriend, and Thank You Next, and there's another one by her that is like, I listen to all the time. I don't know. But I'm like in love with Ariana Grande. Like, her songs are awesome. First, I'm going to go in with this color right here, the second color. And I'm going to just set my primer. But, like, I jam out to her songs. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this color, the second one right here. Or this third one, not second one. Like, listen. I don't know, like, who watches my videos or whatever, but if you're like a kind of like a heavyset girl like me, you know, it's hard to find bras. It really is. Like, let's just be honest about it. Like, it's hard to find bras that fit you in the back and in the front perfect. That you don't have to pay $100 for. Like, it's really ridiculous. So, if someone's going to give me some bras and I can wear them, I'm going to take them. Okay, I'm going to go in with this color, this kind of like deeper color right here of brown. I paid $20 for this eyeshadow palette, guys. And I barely use it. I really like this eyeshadow palette, but honestly, I feel like that you figure that brown would be a lot deeper than what it is. It's gonna blend it really good. I'm gonna kind of go in with this color to see if, like, I would get any payout from it. See if I would darken up my outer. Yeah, there we go. That looks a lot better. I don't know, like, I like my outer V to be dark. So, like, my inner part would look really, like, flawless when I put, like, a light color on it. Okay, I'm going to go in with this, like, light brown shade to clean up the out right through here. To clean it up a little bit. I think I just made my eyes worse. Okay, well, get rid of some of that. I use an old shirt to wipe off my makeup, if you're wondering what the heck I was doing. See, like, I don't know if I'm using the wrong brush. Like, this is the second time I use this palette, and it's just, the colors are bland. Like, you know, I know it's like neutral colors, but like, you figure they would pop a little bit more than what they do. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay. Second of all, I am going to go in with this. And I don't know what color. I think I'm just going to go with the white color I've been using. Like, look at those colors. Like, those are gorgeous. And they're from the BYS Glitter Eye Cream. Come on. Show me what you're working with. Oh, Lord. I need a little bit more sparkle on this eye. I'm trying my hardest. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is go back in with this L'Oreal palette. And I'm going to go in with a brush. And I'm just going to kind of deepen and bring back my color at the edge. And then I'm going to take out my brush and, like, blend it out. Wow, that's pretty. My eye. There we go. That is so pretty. I think I need a little bit more on this eye, because like I'm trying to make sure these eyes are like together. You know, I don't want one looking off and another one looking fabulous. Which, if y'all been watching my videos for a while, y'all know that I have trouble with this eye every day. Every day of my life. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use the same mascara that I've been using. Is this Maybelline Falsies. Sorry, I had a text message. And then it went all crazy on me. Sorry about that. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal palette. And I'm going to go in with, I'll try this brush. I'm going to go with this dark brown for my under my eyeliner color. And I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. Okay, so I got this at a pallet bin. If you all don't know what a pallet bin is, it's where these people buy from Amazon and stuff of like returned products, products that are like didn't sell or whatever, however it is. Sorry. So I bought this a while ago, and I've been kind of nervous to try it out because I don't know, because I never saw anybody even wear this or have this. I don't know how long it's been since this has been out or whatever. So it's from Avon. It's Simply Pretty. It says Fresh Radiance Gel Foundation. It looks like it says it's supposed to be a healthy, clean finish. And it's natural beige. Never been opened, so that's a good thing. But I should use my brush. Not too bad. Like, it looks like your natural skin. Just a little bit glowy to it. Kinda like it. Okay guys, sorry. You saw me put on the foundation. It looks very natural, like I have to say. Like, I don't feel like there's anything on my skin. It don't even look like there's anything there. But, you know, it's pretty. I'm I think I'm going to put the Tarte Shape Tape concealer on. I'm not going to put a lot on. Just a little bit. Because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to take my sponge. Oh boy, blush. Okay, I'm gonna use the Gwen Stefani blush. I'm going to use the easy one right here, and you'll have to use a lot. I'm just putting a little on because last time I used this, I went a little wild with the blush, to be honest with you. Okay. I'm going to use this highlight, NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I'm just going to put a streak on my face. Okay. Really like the highlight. It's like very classy. Okay. Now to my lips. My lips. I don't know what I'm going to do with my lips. My lips. Okay, like I have like a whole thing of lips, but like I'm trying to find something like classy, you know, yet like really pretty. I'm just gonna use this Kat Von D. I'm gonna try to take a brush or something to try to fix this a little bit. Alright. Okay guys, this is my look. This is kind of like a classy but elegant look. I hope you enjoyed. Oh wait. I forgot to set my face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I didn't set my face today, but you know.